Hey guys, this is Professor Diener. Welcome to Media Appreciation TVRA 134. I'm so happy to have you in class. We will be meeting for the next 7 weeks every Tuesday and Thursday remotely, and I will send you a Zoom link tomorrow. And we will start on August 31st, which is this coming Tuesday, and we will run through October 18th. So it'll be 7 weeks, 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. every Tuesday, Thursday. And I want you to know this is the required book. It's called Media Essentials, A Brief Introduction. It is the 5th edition. There are editions out before this, so if you can't get a hold of the 5th edition, one of the others should suffice in the meantime, but please try to order this as soon as you can. So you can order this through the bookstore or Amazon or any other venue you would like to order it from. So it is the 5th edition, Media Essentials. So we will be going through the book in order, and we will be talking about the highlights of the book. And I just want to tell you that some of the chapters we will be covering: mass communication, a critical approach, books and the power of print, newspapers, magazines, sound recording and popular music, popular radio and the origins of radio, which is one of my favorite chapters, movies and television. Another one of my favorite chapters is television, because that's what my background is mainly in the media world, internet and new technologies, digital gaming, advertising, and another one of my favorites is public relations. So it's going to be a really fun semester. We will have 3 papers, and we will have 4 tests and an optional final. So just to give you an idea of what you will be expecting this semester. So anyway, I look forward to meeting you all on Tuesday. I will send you a Zoom link, and have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday.